If you're a skateboarder, odds are you've had your fair share of injuries. One of the common issues skaters develop is heel pain. Most of this is due to the repetitive ankle motion that is required to do tricks combined with the forces of impact against the ground. Dorsiflexion and plantar flexion is when the ankle moves upward and downward, and inversion and eversion when the ankle moves inward and outward. These motions are often combined in order to perform many of the tricks that skateboarders do. If the ankle is too stiff or too weak, there will be more stress placed on the foot and ankle as the tricks are performed. The Achilles is the tendon that connects your calf muscles to the heel. So as you use your calf muscles to push down on your board to pop a trick, this tendon will absorb much of the force taken. Skateboarders often develop pain from a condition known as Achilles Tendonopathy, which is a dysfunction of the tendon due to a failed healing response. Ways to prevent this or improve the condition would be with strength and stability exercises, as well as mobility and stretching exercises. Another important factor is footwear. Trying out different pairs to find a comfortable and supportive fit will reduce the stress placed on the heel and ankle. Hopefully this gave some insight into the world of skateboarding. Injuries are just something that skaters learn to deal with as they continue to kick and push. Thanks for watching. No motion.